What if I decide that instead of having just a name and a price, I also wanted to have a public boolean is in stock. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this write line to a write so it doesn't have a new line at the end of it. Then I'm going to say if is in stock console write line in stock, else console write line not in stock. By making that one change, I've affected every single object of product, which includes what's stored here in the list, meaning that I can now add is in stock to every object. Not only that, the display method now takes care of printing out whether or not it's in stock. So let's see an example of that. I want product 1 to be in stock, and I want product 2 to be out of stock, and I want product 3 to neither specify if he's in stock or out of stock, which is going to default to not in stock, by the way, but I wanted to demonstrate the default behavior. So, by changing our class slightly and adding a little bit more data within our program, we vastly altered the behavior of our software. So, classes allow us to organize our code, because we can now write code and reuse it multiple times. Okay, so how is everybody feeling about the concept of object-oriented programming, as far as the concept of having a product class? Is everybody doing okay with that?